And look, I'm gonna show you now how to go to the train because I take the A train. This is where I came from, the entrance. That you get down here, right? And you see this is the waiting room for Amtrak and the Long Island Railroad. So now I go, when you go into the entrance, you make it like, let's say, right? You make a left, and you will see, look, you will see the subway. If you want to take the subway, look, it tell you that, like, the subway, like I said, the A, C, E, and the train number 1, 2, 3. So now I gotta go down there and get the train. Gotta get the A train. Say right there, A train. Downtown, uptown and downtown. So uptown is like in 31st Street. If you wanna go to 59th Street, 42nd Street, Times Square, or 125th, or you wanna go to Washington High, yeah, you can go. And you have to pay. Hold on, let me show you. Look, you gotta pay when you MetroCard and you swipe it like this. See? Now it's good. And hold on, let me put this in my wallet. And let's go. You take the steps. They got elevators too, but it's in the middle. In the middle of the platform. Look, we just meet the A train going to Uptown. This side is going to Uptown, and that side is going to Downtown. That's the train we gotta take. See? 34th Street trains. Bank station. I'm gonna tell you, look. Over there, it tells you when the train is coming. Look, so a lot of people, they say they get lost because when you wanna go to Far Rockaway, it's two trains going over there. One is going, look, Lefford Boulevard. I'm gonna show you. Look, the one I'm gonna tell you is in Far Rockaway. But you see, this is Lefford Boulevard and Far Rockaway. So it's two directions. So some people get lost.